Hello everyone, how's it going? It's been a week or so since I've uploaded on this channel. The reason being is because I'm not really live trading at the moment. I'm just studying. And so there wasn't really much content to provide you. I couldn't really think of anything to upload. People don't really give a fuck about what trades you won on a demo account, right? So I just thought, fuck it, I'm just going to wait till I start trading properly again. But I just thought I'd make a quick video now just to let you know, what I do every day, just to stay sharp whilst I'm trading, how I'm preparing, how I'm learning, how I'm studying, etc. So pretty much every day. Obviously, I work from home every day, so it gives me a good opportunity to be able to study, look at the charts, blah blah blah, whilst I'm working or lunch break. I don't trade the DAX and the FTSE, the UK European markets, but I do watch them, and I watch Tom Hugard trade live. He trades live every morning at 8 a.m. and he also trades live on the afternoon session for the US markets, which is at 2:30 if you're in the UK. So he's on YouTube as Trader Tom. Trade live every morning. Okay, so that's always interesting. He's a fucking phenomenal trader. He's next level, right? Next level. He's currently doing a new thing that he's never done before. He usually trades with £100,000 account, right? Because he's a fucking millionaire. Why not? But he's doing a new thing this year, which he's never done before, where he's trying to turn a profit on a £10,000 account, so a small account. So he's really, he's trading hundreds of pounds a point normally, and currently he's only trading, a few pounds a point because he's trying to build a 10k account. Obviously, the risk profile is going to be different. And currently he's up about £3,000 within like 10 days, which is next level. It's 30% already. So that's really interesting to watch. So that I've watched him for years though. I've watched him trade live for years, so it's nothing new to me. But that's just something that I do. Another thing I like to do is this YouTuber called Words of Wisdom. I'm on a different channel here, so I'm not subscribed. I have a couple channels. He's the largest trading podcaster in the world, right? On YouTube, sorry. And as of recently, he got a lot of stick in the trading industry because he'd have all these wankers on, yeah? These scammy little wankers just trying to sell a course. Not all of them, but a lot of them, yeah? A lot of them. There's fucking Q Banks. He had a lot of wankers on that really had no proof that they were actual profitable traders. So he made a big change recently where he only has verified profitable traders on the podcasts. So I've been watching them more recently because it's fascinating listening to what profitable traders have gone through, what they do go through, the way they trade. And it just keeps you inspired, I guess, listening to these podcasts, knowing that it is possible to make money in the market and using not so complicated strategies. So I watched this one here the other day, and he's a 100% technical trader. And what I mean by that is you'll have fundamental traders on the podcast. And what I mean by fundamental is they are trading purely off of economic data, right? They're not using technical analysis, price action, chart patterns, etc. Right? They're not using that. They're just using economic data, thinking that's the holy grail. But then we've got my man here, who is a trading expert, who's making money off using patterns, purely technical analysis. So that was an interesting watch. Another one I watched was this fella here. He does also sell a course, which I found interesting. But he also has broker statements. So he's a proven profitable trader. He trades more stocks, but he uses support and resistance as well. So that's another thing I like to do. It keeps me motivated, keeps me inspired, keeps me in tune with the markets, with trading in general. So I'm also currently reading this book here, The Hour Between Dog and Wolf. That was recommended by Tom Hugard. It's not specific, or it is trading, but it's talking about the human biology when it comes to trading and the chemical reactions and the chemicals you produce when trading, and it's very interesting. I'm only a quarter way through, but yeah, I like to keep on top of things like that. What else? I obviously monitor the markets all day, and I like to put trades on even if it's a demo, okay? So for example, this was Friday on the Nasdaq. We had, move move out the fucking way. Oh my god. Pre-market. Very bullish. Right? Pre-market. Where did pre-market start? Way from here. We went up fucking pre-market. Made us about 400 points, right? Which is crazy. 400 points on the pre-market. The opening bar, when the stock market opened, we had a fairly large sell-off. And then we were stuck in a range for about an hour. We had a couple order blocks here. And as you can see, the tight range, this candle, this price tried to break out from that hour-long range. Just swept the lows a little bit, closed on its highs. And I bought the break off that candle. Closed it here for 100 points. It did actually get to the full resistance, which is what you really should be aiming for. Obviously, as a demo account, it's very easy to run your profits to 100 points, but that would have made me $1,000 if I was trading 5 micros, which is crazy. And that was it. Simple trade. That's the sort of thing I like to do. And then I come back on the chart and I annotate it, take screenshots, look back at them, blah blah. And a lot of my trading, and that's it. And mostly what I do for studying, other than that, because TradingView, if you don't pay for anything, only goes back a month, which is shit. So if you want to go to IG.com, right, you can create a demo account on IG.com, which is actually where that geezer works. This bald fella here, he works for IG. Anyway, I used to use IG. I use TD365 now, but this platform is so much better. And the good thing about IG, it doesn't cost you a fucking penny, mate. And you can go back an entire year on the 5-minute chart, which is crazy for free. So back to 2024, January, Monday. See that? I've been plotting things, annotating things. Because it keeps you sharp, right? Here, look, as you can see. And I think that's basically what I do. And that's what I continue to do. I'm going fucking all in this year on the trading. I'm going to put even more effort in. And I plan to make money this year. That's obviously always the plan, isn't it? But that's what the plan's going to be. And I'm confident I can do it. And anyway, that's the end of the video, guys. It's just a catch-up to let you know what I'm up to. Blah-de-blah-de-blah. And might see you again next week. We'll have consistent videos once I'm actually trading live again. All right? See you later.